Oahu Real Estate Market Update for January 2025. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name is Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel we explore real estate tips and strategies that help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 2,793 homes sold, a 9% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 2.5% to 4,459 homes sold compared to last year. The single-family home median sales price in December was $1.1 million, which is a 5% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $515,000, and these are year-to-date numbers, which averages out the data from 2024. The monthly median price for condos set a new record at $540,000, indicating stronger demand at the higher price points. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 19 days on the market, 14% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 30 days, which is 43% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 3,756 single-family homes this month, which is a 13% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 7,279 condos this month, which is a 19% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been decreasing since July. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 2,990 homes, 7% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 4,601 homes in escrow, 3% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 2.9 months, 4% higher than last year, while condo months of inventory also increased to 5.2 months, 63% higher than last year. Overall, supply continues to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 675 homes, a 13% increase year on year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,928, a 56% increase year on year. Both single-family homes and condo active inventory has been increasing since December. The percentage of list price received is now 99% for single-family homes and 98% for condos. Single-family homes sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 32% of total closed sales. 99% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $700,000 and $1 million accounted for 19% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 97% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is 1% lower than last year. The Oahu real estate market remains robust as we wrap up 2024. Single-family home sales saw a strong 9% year-to-date increase with a median price of $1.1 million. Condo sales dipped 2.5%, but inventory is expanding, offering more options for buyers. Homes are moving quickly, with single-family homes spending just 19 days on the market, while condos are seeing a slower pace at 30 days. Strong demand persists, with most sales closing near or above list price, even as overall supply trends upward. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year to date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.85 million, 3% higher than last year, and is based on 69 closed sales. Days on market are now 19. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $770,000, which is 8% higher than last year. Days on market are 53 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 16. Condo prices are now $550,000, and days on market are 31. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now $894,000, and days on market are 23. For condos, prices are now $678,000, and days on market are 27. For Hawaii, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 11% higher than last year. Days on market are 17 days. For condos, prices have decreased by 3% compared to last year, which is now at $820,000 and 13 days on the market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million, which is 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 13 days. For condos, the median price is now $800,000 and days on market are 19. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $938,000, 6% higher than last year, and days on market are 22. On the condo side, median price is now $402,000 and days on market are 40. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now $1.2 million, 5% higher than last year. Days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now $690,000 and days on market are 15. For Kapahulu, Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is $1.4 million, 6% higher than last year. Days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price has decreased to $711,000, 18% lower than last year, and days on market are 14. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $670,000 and days on market are 35. Condo median price increased to $243,000 and days on market are 45. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $1 million and days on market are 24. For condos, the median price is $560,000 and days on market are 29 days. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.7 million, 8% higher than last year. Days on market are 17 days. For condos, the median price is at $405,000 and days on market are 31. The Mililani median single-family home price is now $1.07 million and days on market are 14. For condos, median price is $515,000 and days on market are 23 days. The Moanalua Salt Lake single-family home price is now at $1.2 million, 3% lower than last year, while days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now $430,000 and days on market are 31. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price is at $1.5 million and days on market are 29 days. For condos, the median price is $925,000, which is 16% higher than last year, and days on market are 16 days. For Pro City, Aiea, the median single-family home price is now $1.1 million, 8% higher than last year. Days on market are 13 days. For condos, the median price is $470,000 and days on market are 25 days. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $825,000 and days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price increased to $328,000, which is 3% higher than last year, and days on market are 19 days. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $2.2 million and days on market are 15 days. For condos, the median price is $630,000 and days on market are 32. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now $450,000, which is 6% higher than last year. Days on market are 35 days. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is now $950,000, which is 3% higher than last year, and days on market are 16 days. For condos, the median price is $505,000 and days on market are 16 days. For the Windward Coast, the median single-family home price is $1 million, 8% lower than last year, and days on market is 37 days. For condos, the median price is $340,000, and that was actually a 70% increase compared to last year, and days on market is 15 days. Wildfires surrounding Los Angeles have devastated over 60 square miles, displacing 150,000 residents, killing 24 and destroying nearly 12,000 structures. Housing Wire reports a surge in demand for rental properties as evacuees seek shelter, raising concerns about price gouging. The fires are also worsening California's insurance crisis, with extended wildlife seasons driving up premiums and creating coverage uncertainty. The devastating wildfires in Los Angeles could indirectly impact Hawaii's insurance market through the global reinsurance industry. Reinsurance companies, which provide financial protection to insurers, often pool risks from multiple regions. As California wildfires increase claims and strain reinsurers, the cost of reinsurance may rise across the board. For Hawaii, this could mean higher premiums for homeowners and businesses, even without local disasters, as insurers pass on the increased cost of reinsurance. Additionally, reinsurers may tighten underwriting criteria, making it harder to secure affordable coverage for properties in higher risk areas, such as those vulnerable to hurricanes or flooding. Hawaii's already fragile insurance market could face further challenges, with rising costs potentially impacting both affordability and accessibility for policyholders. Let me know in the comments below what you think will happen to insurance rates. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.